back. Now, after Bengaluru residents staged protest in the city over the VVIP steel flyover, the government is now giving it a rethink. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah will be inspecting the proposed site for the 6.7-kilometer long flyover and is likely to review the decision today. Nikhil joins me on the phone line with more details. Nikhil, what are you hearing from the state government sources? Are they ready for a rethink?
Well, there is a vociferous protest and an opposition to the steel flyover, which is being called a metal monster, and the apprehensions over it include need, cost, the real purpose of it, intent of the government, the real utility of one such project. And there are several other questions being raised in a situation like this. And we saw a massive human chain effort being put up by the residents of Bangalore, and the concern is being expressed over damage to heritage structures. And the residents of Bangalore have time and again spoke against any kind of alteration or damage to heritage structures. And in a situation like this, the government is pressed to the wall, and it is now probably forced into a rethink. And the Chief Minister himself will carry out a survey first-hand by traveling along this particular road, consider possible other alternative paths. Now, the question really is, this is a 6-lane road, and why do you need an alternative path on this one? And that is a question for which the government will have to find convincing answers.
All right, Nikhil, many thanks for giving us those details there in Karnataka, where the government is giving it a rethink on the VVIP steel flyover. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah himself will be inspecting the proposed site. Rajya Sabha MP Rajiv Chandrasekhar also joins me on the phone line for more on that. Many thanks for speaking 2 times now. What do you make of this VVIP steel flyover? We are hearing that the Karnataka Chief Minister and the government is ready for a rethink on this.
Well, I hope the voice of thousands of people that were out there in the public yesterday doesn't go in vain. I hope the government is sensitive, smart, and responsible enough to respond to this. And I hope today's walk-around is not just a token walk-around, symbolic, to distract the attention from what is clearly a big problem for the citizens of Bengaluru. The steel flyover needs to be put on hold. A very deliberate, detailed public consultation is required with the citizens. I appealed for this yesterday to the Chief Minister, and I hope he is listening, because it is important that as a Chief Minister he listens to the people that he is supposed to be serving. It is not just for the MLAs and his coterie of VIPs that public money has to be spent.
Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Rajya Sabha MP, many thanks for sharing your views on this big story where Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah will be inspecting the proposed site of the VVIP steel flyover that is around 6.7 kilometers and has seen vociferous protest from citizens.